Hey guys, one of the fastest ways to make your site look professional is to change the website colors in Wix. Let's learn how to do this. Once your site's loaded into the editor, you want to navigate over here to the left column and go to Site Design. Once you're in Site Design, you want to go to Color Theme. And here Wix will load the color theme that's currently installed for your website. And then here you can make some changes to the theme. You can change the base colors, which are used for background and text. You can alter the accent colors, and you can add up to 4. So if you wanted to add another color, you can click the plus sign here and pick from the color wheel. Or if you know the characters for that a certain color, you can populate them in here. And then you can go to advanced settings. And again, this is for the current color theme. You can modify the primary background, secondary background, different text boxes, buttons. So there's a lot you can do just with the current theme. But if you don't like the current theme and you want to change to a completely different color scheme, then you want to navigate down here to change color theme. And then here Wix will load some featured themes that you can select and apply to your website to see how it looks. So it's really nice. It's really easy. Once you pick one of these color themes and you apply it, Wix will update your site automatically. That includes buttons, text, backgrounds. And if you don't like any of these themes and you have something in mind, you can go up here and use the Wix AI to have it develop the colors you're looking for based on the prompt that you provided. So anyway, let's go back down here and select, we'll select this since it stands out. And if you like that, then you can preview it to see what it'll look like on the internet. As you can see, it changed the color, completely changed the color scheme of the website. So you can go back to editor. And if there's any other changes you want to make, you can. And then once you like it, you can save. As you can see, your changes are saved, published. To see your changes live at the filing domain, we'll click done. We'll go ahead. I could have clicked publish there, but we'll click publish here. And now my site is live on the internet. We'll click view site. And this is the live site. So as you can see, it's really simple to change the color theme of your website. Your site instantly looks cleaner, and that's the power of color. I hope this video helped. Please comment below, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.